Waste to energy is better than any other source of power.
But I heard waste to energy causes more pollution and release harmful chemicals into the air. But what about the ash that comes from the waste that is burned? Over time, wouldn't we run out of the source of garbage? Here is a short clip of the process of the energy to fuel plants.
Hybrids may be hot sellers, but the truly eco-conscious may soon turn to cars fueled by garbage. Yes, plain old household trash. And it's not as far-fetched as you may think. Through a technology called catalytic depolymerization, garbage is ground up and turned into high-grade diesel fuel. What takes nature millions of years has been sped up to about 3 minutes, and the fuel can be used by any diesel vehicle.
We can take garbage in and correct a lot of the problems with garbage, landfill, tires, all that kind of pollution creating problems.
Green Power, the Washington State-based company that developed the technology, says that it can produce fuel for less than $1 a gallon. The hope is that plants like this one will help win the U.S. energy independence from the Middle East, while at the same time eliminating the nation's burgeoning landfills. This mobile refinery can make fresh diesel on the spot. Plans are to build 1,500 permanent waste-to-fuel plants across the country. It is estimated that one plant alone can produce 85,000 gallons of fuel a day, and that's just from one landfill.
We don't live on waste anymore. Waste will be a product and a commodity, what's useful.
Saving the environment and tackling high fuel costs is a lofty goal. The company first has to convince landfill operators that the technology is cost-effective. The first plant will be built in Fife, Washington, and another one is slated in Montana, and the company is in talks with other cities across the U.S. This is Jack Hambrick reporting.
This is a demonstration of Flip4Met.
We will never run out of garbage, but it will be expensive to make factories to convert waste to fuel, but it is also expensive to make new landfill sites.
We, the people of the public, believe that emissions from waste to energy plants aren't clean and free from harmful chemicals.
This is a demonstration of Flip4Met.
Because the source of the fuel is readily available in large quantities and the pollution would be reduced.
For example, in Kent, UK, they have built the largest waste-to-energy plant in Arlington Quarry. This quarry creates enough power for 120,000 homes from 500,000 tons of garbage and 65,000.
This is a demonstration of Flip4Met.
Fuel and energy that they need. They use combustion to burn the waste at a very high temperature, and then the waste releases gas and steam. The gas and steam are then transported to turbines to become energy.
That's amazing. We should definitely use waste for our source of energy and fuel.